Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Software Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress theme. I'm currently on one of the sites in my website portfolio. This is the front end of it, so we remember what it looks like when we go ahead and change the theme up just a little bit. So from here, I'm going to actually go back into the back end of the WordPress site, just in a different tab, and then I will go to Appearance down here and Themes. All right, so you can see I have Kale activated. And then if I want to change it up, I would choose a different theme and then go ahead and activate it. All right, so it looks like this one happens to be active. So I'm going to go back to the front end and refresh it, see if it is changed up, and it looks like it has been changed up. It does not look very good because I haven't really changed anything on this website, or I haven't really customized it too much. So you will want to go ahead and do that as well. But that is just a simple, quick how to find the themes and how to change the theme that is active. I'm going to go back and change it back to my regular theme because it looks a heck of a lot better. This is just a little thing from my ad network saying that this might affect my my earnings. But if we go back to it, it looks pretty much almost the exact same as to how it was before we had changed the theme. So that is a quick, simple how to change your WordPress theme. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And check out the blog at simplesoftwaretips.com. I'll catch you guys in the next one.